Okay, we're here, 9 o'clock, 5th of February.
Morning. Good morning.
Conway Morva, next stop, Malaga.
Malaga, that's it.
Anyway, so here's our little parade of people. My brother there, seeing us off. Ash's mum, Mike, Dave and Son. Thank you very much for coming along, and Nancy. And here's our scooters, ready for the trip. So Ash, what are your thoughts before we leave now?
Well, I just couldn't find the keys for the last... How long do you reckon we were looking for the keys then?
15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes looking for the keys, and they were down my trousers. Got my hands down there, keeping them warm. It's 4 degrees this morning.
Yeah.
It's nice and clear, but it should be a very nice day.
It'll be good. If it was any warmer, I'd probably be too hot, so it's good. So anyway, we'll do some more videos. See you on the other side.
We're at Moto Camp Wales. We've reached Dolgellau. Got some beautiful bikes in here. If you want to have a day's training, or a week's training, or a trip, this is the place to come. We'll tag it in the bio. So we've got a bit of a problem. Johnny's screen's still too big and it's slowing him down a lot. What are your thoughts, mate?
It's like trying to ride with a parachute. It's horrendous. So we're lucky because we've got Steve, the king of the spanners, and we've got the love of motor junkies here, and we're going to take a bit off the top to hopefully give us that extra few miles an hour so we can at least get 130 out of it.
Thoughts on today, bro?
Hard, very hard indeed. 150 miles, very cold, 0 degrees on the Crimea. Speedo cable broke 20 miles ago. Yeah, you earn every mile. You earn it. It's hard, really tough. This is going to be a lot harder than ever I thought it was going to be. The body hurts. So I've only done one day. Got like 2.5 weeks of this.
I'm tired also, very tired. I won't show myself.
Looking forward to having a shower, getting some kip, and tomorrow I've got to get up super early because the French have done some striking, so we've got to do a different ferry route. So we've got to be at the ferry port 6 hours earlier than planned, but that's all fun, all good. Day 1 done.